a little Michaels haul, including a couple of the wonderful carts and a sneak peek at the next digital kit coming to Dearjuliejulie. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here with a quick Michaels haul. Today there was a 40% off your entire regular purchase if you bought it online and picked it up in the store. Well, I can't get into my account. So anyway, so all I purchased was, I picked up this cart. I've already got it put together. There will be pictures sort of at the end. There will be pictures at the end. You can sort of see it. So I picked this up for my craft room. I'm hoping it will give me a little bit of extra table space. And then I needed some more drawers for my all the time crafting. So I picked that up. And then I did pick up one of these carts. And my idea is to use it for my project that I'm working on now. Because my crafting space, actually, I thought it was going to be bigger. It got smaller. This is my area right here. So this way I can organize the project, or even two projects, I think, on that. So I picked those up, and I'm sure you're familiar with the rolling cart. This one is really cool. It's got this flip up side over here, and I have a 2-door sliding closet, you know, the really big sliding door closet, and I'm going to put it in front, and I'm glad it's on rollers so that I can roll it back and forth, and so that will be great. Those are my receipts. Oh, and a coupon. So I picked up a pencil box because I used the pencil box that had my binding kit in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my binding kit into this pencil box because I have the perfect spot for it right there, but I needed the pencil box the other day for something else. You know how that happens. So I picked up my favorite black and white striped. Whenever I see it, the black and white striped washi, I pick it up. I picked up these ladybugs. I have a project I've been working on at the hospital for that, and then pineapples for my granddaughter's journal that I'm making her for her 16th birthday. Then just a variety of washi tapes that I found. Little washi tapes. And I found 2 more of the hedgehog stickers. I think these are absolutely adorable, and I'm gonna have to make something with those. Yeah, those carts, that was a pretty big purchase, even at 40% off. So the rest of my purchase was small. So these are parchment paper. You've seen I had also found the peach ones and the red and white striped ones, and so now I might even have these mint ones, but you know, you can't have too many mint. And then the black and white ones also. So very excited to have those to add to my collection. I might even be able to use this one in the altered journal that I've been working on. Actually, both of them will match, so we'll just put them right over here. So one other thing, I want you to watch for the release of the Pansies digital kit. If you were a member of the Spring Stash Buster Junk Journal Challenge and you finished your journal and you posted it, this kit has already been posted in the group, and it is yours as your prize for finishing your journal for the challenge. I just wanted you to see, if you are working on your altered journal, there will be a digital kit that will be your gift just for finishing your journal, okay? And then also you get the 2-hour virtual party where we play with whatever the kit is that I come up with to go with it. If you are wondering or waiting for the other parties, They are all on hold right now until we get my dad situated. So, you know, I really cannot commit to a day until we have him situated and his breathing is better and all of that. So, so do watch for that. But the digital kits are fun. And this is just a sampling. This is one of the ephemera pages from this kit. And so usually what that means is there's pages that have all of these different things. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I'm really excited to have added these 2 products from Michael's Recollections into my craft room, and I did get them all put together, and I'm saving the papers for my journal, and they'll go in with the pictures, because this has been quite a process to get this room up and running, and more in a more better way. Efficient. So have an amazing day. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being here. Bye. What was your favorite? Bye-bye.